Hello everyone, my name is Slava and today we make 4 light schemes at one location using FEELWORLD light. Light is what makes an ordinary video something more interesting. Even on budget camera we can get cinematic content. Now I will show how to simulate light in the interior at sunrise, daylight, cloudy day and night with lighting. In the center of the frame is a large sofa with a model on background white wall. Let's blow some smoke to soften the light and make dreamy look. Let's start with sunrise. Fill light. I install FL225B with FSP90 at honeycombs on the stand under the ceiling. The light from the softbox gives soft shadows and the honeycombs make the light more directional. Then direct the beam of FL125B light onto a mirror with tape, imitating light from a window. It will be the key light and background light. Bicolor light allows you to control the temperature of the light, and it is most convenient to do it using an application on the phone. At sunrise, the light is warm, and therefore 2700 kelvins. Daylight. Let's add brightness and change the temperature to 4000 kelvins. The sun is already high and doesn't shine so warmly like in sunrise. Now we make it a little darker and set the temperature to 6000 kelvins and getting cool gloomy picture. Night. The light is more darker. The temperature is 6500 kelvins. We add FL125D with FSR90 softbox and honeycombs and install in front of sofa to simulate the light from the TV. On FL125B, turn on effect, then response to sound to control lighting with claps, and we get dramatic night scene. With 3 light source and some tips and tricks, you can create very interesting picture. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Goodbye and see you soon!